Okay, so this morning I am going to have something different. I think I'm going to be making like a fajita breakfast burrito kind of a deal. So I am going to be using, this is my favorite tortilla that I like to use for using a flour tortilla. It is the La Favorita. And these are 100 calories each tortilla. I have some cooked up bell peppers, nice and sweet, add to that. I didn't have any onion the day that I made these, but hey, that's all right, you know? And then I have some leftover tri-tip steak. I'll probably add about 3 ounces of this, heat that up in the pan or microwave, and add that to it. And then I am going to do 1 egg, and then I'm going to add 120 grams of egg whites. And then I use my favorite, just some olive oil Pam to put in the pan. My chickens have stopped laying. It's that time of the year, so I'm just got some regular store-bought eggs. Zero it out. And we ended up with 125 grams of egg whites. So while the pan heats up and the eggs cook, I'm going to take care of my steak and get that cut up and measured. Yum yum.